Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road.
Hi there guys, it's Paul and I kind of feel bad for giving this away. I think there is a glitch with a coupon code from GearBest that lets you buy the Mavic 3 Zoom for under $1,000, which means you'll save $250 on it. Here's what you have to do. Go on the link in the description and be sure to check the China standard plug version. Don't be tempted to pick the normal version because it's not going to work with this price reduction. The drone will probably come with a Chinese plug, but you can get an adapter for your country anytime at most electronic stores. Then all you have to do is add it to cart, go to checkout and use the coupon code that I have in the description or in the first comment, and you'll get $250 off. This is legit a much smaller price than on the official DJI site. DJI does have a few nice offers for Black Friday, but they don't have anything on the Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom. On GearBest you can get free shipping or pay like $10 extra for a faster one. This coupon works for as many drones as you want, however I'm not sure how long it will last, as I'm pretty sure GearBest is not making much money off of it. It might be only today or a few more days until they figure it out or remove the coupon entirely. If you like this tip, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon because I'll soon post a video for DJI Black Friday and give away 5 coupon codes. Thanks for watching and leave a comment down below to tell me if you're going to buy this drone or not. See ya later, alligator!
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road. The sun ain't changed in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this.